for both teams. Is it going to come late on from Messi? Messi has a path forward, shoots, yes! Here comes Messi, into overdrive, Messi!
Here's Messi, away from 2, 3, 4, wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. How good is he? A near supernatural goal from Lionel Messi. He has wriggled and tiptoed his way to the gates of Wembley Stadium. He is just brilliant. Best player in the world, bar none.